Hi viewers, how are you? I'm here with you with a new project. It's a tutorial about stud beaded earrings. Elegant look, very cute color combinations. I have used very different style diamond shape crystal beads for multi-shaded crystal beads in this tutorial, in this project, and its pattern is also very unique as usual. I hope you guys like it and try it. So let's start with the 4 golden seed beads 8 We have picked 4 seed beads, and after making knots we pass through 1 seed bead, and now we are adding here 1 diamond shaped bead 4 mm, 1 golden, 1 silver crystal bead 4 mm, 1 golden, and 1 diamond shape 4 mm bead. Now we will add them, these beads, passing through 1 golden seed bead which we stringed in beginning. Now pass through diamond shape bead, and here we will add 1 golden seed bead, 1 golden seed bead, 1 silver crystal bead, 1 golden seed bead, and 1 diamond shape 4 mm bead, and pass through 1 golden seed bead, and we have beaded, we have added 2 times. First time we will add 3 beads, and next 3 times we will add 2 4 mm and 2 golden seed beads. Now we are adding 1 golden, 1 crystal bead, 4 mm, 1 golden, and 1 diamond shape bead. These beads are very rare. Once I bought these beads from a store, and later on I tried, but I was not having these beads again, because sometimes but I love these beads. These are diamond shape, and very sparkling beads. I am using these beads, my favorite beads, in this project, and you will agree with me, these are very unique and different beads and very cute beads, diamond shape beads. Now pass through crystal bead 4 mm, and again we will add 1 golden seed bead plus 1 diamond shape. These in this round we are adding as a second round of our pattern, our beaded earrings. For second round we are adding. This is complete. Now next round is in this round we will add 5 seed beads, golden seed beads 8, passing through diamond shaped beads 4 beads which are on side, which we beaded in the last round. We will be adding 5 golden seed beads each time, one by one. And now pass through silver 4 mm crystal bead, and pass through diamond shaped bead, and 5 more seed beads we will add here, passing our needle through diamond shaped beads hole. Now next round is pass through all golden seed beads which are in the center of 5 seed beads we beaded in the last round. We have to pass through center bead of these beads. We pass through 4 beads, and now we are adding 1 crystal button. This is for its purpose is adding here to support our stud pin. As you know, when we paste or we put it in our earring stud pin, it moves here and there, and sometimes it goes beyond too far in the beaded part. So I want to fix it, and you will agree it is now fixed with the support of this crystal button. Color doesn't matter, which is not too important, so it's up to you. Any color of button you can use it here. Now we have pulled the thread. After putting our stud pin, we have pulled the thread, we have made knots, and we trim the thread, and now it is ready. Now our beaded stud earrings are ready. Its elegant look, sparkling look, very very cute. As I told you, these diamond shaped beads are my favorite beads, and I get these beads very rare. In my country it is difficult to find these beads, but I know many people have these beads and they can get easily. Its back, stud earrings back is also very different and elegant, so I will say you must try. I hope you would like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will say bye now, and kindly I request you, kindly subscribe my channel, comment, share, like, and encourage me. My channel Somycrafty and my channel Easy Jewelry. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.